Hey y'all, hey, thanks for stopping by my channel. It's your girl Slay LT and I am back with another video. Y'all, this haul is from no other than, and I'm gonna get right into it, but I've already opened the box, but y'all know where this is from. Shein. Y'all, this is a very, very small haul. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm trying to act like it's gonna be the bomb. Long haul. It's not. It's very much so not. I actually just got a few items from Shein. I actually got this like last week, but I'm just getting to record it now. Now the majority of the items I have in here is for my business. I know I have a t-shirt business. I don't know if I kind of want to show the prints because I don't have them on shirts yet, but I'll just show y'all. It's a stack of them. These are DTF prints that I'm going to put on some shirts that I have on my website. If you guys have not checked out the site, check it out, please. It's called chiccreations.shop, and that is spelled www.s as in Sam, HEEKKREATIONZ.shop. You know, because your girl likes to shop. And that's SHOP. Check it out, y'all. Let me go ahead and get into the rest of this haul. I only got a few items, like I said, this time. The first one we have, y'all know I'm getting back into working out outside. I'm gonna go ahead and open this right quick. I'm gonna try to keep this one under 15 because I have some stuff that I have to take care of. I saw this, and it's actually shorter than what I thought it was. This is an arm. So when you work out, you can put the idea is to have somewhere to put your phone in, but I just cannot see my phone fitting in this unless it's my small iPhone, and I don't even think I have it on my near me or whatever. But yeah, so you just keep you probably could keep like your keys or whatever in here while you work out, so it'll still be convenient. The phone ain't going in here, but it's okay because I do have a phone pad that I have when I work out. The next item are these shades. And when I saw these, I thought these were super, super cute. I was like, okay, girl, you definitely gonna have to get you some of these. It's like a mirror. I hope you guys can see that. It's like a mirror design shade pink. I'm not gonna put it on right now, but y'all get the gist of it. It's pink. Put that right there. And the next item, now these shades actually came with the duster on it, and I think I actually have some similar to this right now, some green shades. Y'all excuse me. When I tell y'all my allergies are doing too much, I'm trying to see. It looks like it might be a small scratch on there. So these are the green ones. These are super cute, like these. Okay. And I thought I ordered like 3 shades. Maybe I didn't. I did. The next one, I thought these were super cute. And I actually think I like these best out of all of them. These are red. These are like fire red. Now, I will try these on because I thought these were cute. I don't know if y'all can see that. Okay. And these actually came with a duster rag as well. I have like a some shades, shades hanger. So that's why I hang my shades up on when I get them. The next item, and I've already taken this out of the bag because I wanted to see what it looked like. But I saw this watch, y'all. I thought this watch was super cute. I was like, gotta have it. Y'all know I have a huge watch collection and still growing. This watch is actually super cute. I like the design. I like the face on it. It's very simple, very chic. Chic. Y'all know I like chic things. The next item is, I'm really trying to hurry before I don't know how much space I have left. I need to upload some things. So the next item we have here, oh, it is this shimmer lipstick. And I thought this was super, super, super cute. Now, I did order a wig with this haul. It's a short hairstyle wig. And I'll come back and I'll probably do another video. Because with that wig, it doesn't actually look like the picture. I took it out the bag. And I was like, oh my gosh, Shein, do not do this. Because sometimes Shein is so hit or miss when it comes to wigs. If you buy a wig that's probably under, say, $30, you're almost gonna get what you pay for. So it's almost like one of those things where you're kind of like throwing something at the wall and see if it sticks. One thing about me, I can design the hell out of a wig. So a wig can come long to the floor, and I'll cut that mug so short and so cute. You'd be like, dang, that was a 20-inch wig. That thing is fire. So I'm gonna play with it a little bit. I'll probably do a video of a before and after, just to show you guys what it looks like and how it looks. So, but it's supposed to be a 99J, but it's really giving like a fire red. And I'm like, I don't know how I look with a short fire red wig. I mean, this face is like, my face is not small. I don't have a small face. So, yeah. So I saw these two. Actually saw this. Y'all know I love rose. Rose gold is like my favorite. And I actually purchased 2 of them because I was like, I need to up my earring game. And last, oh no, not last but not least, there's something else in here. I was like, oh my God, what happened to the other? Y'all, so I'm getting back into bracelets, and I think I might have said it on another video, but I was like, I saw these, and I was like, these are super cute. So, had to get these. Y'all know I love my bracelets. I'm going to actually put these back in here because I want to keep them together. And now, last but not least, I saw this and I was like, you know what? Gotta have it. And I think this could be super cute to wear. Probably not now because I have this on, but it's a newsboy hat. And one thing I do hate about Shein is when they send their hats, it's like you damn near have to mold the hat again. So I love my leopard print, and I thought that was cute, and happy I purchased that. So that's pretty much all from this haul, y'all. It was very short. Now I'm probably gonna do, so I'm gonna do another small haul with Shein. I'm probably gonna be, I want to say maybe in the next 3 weeks, and then I'm going to do a large summer haul. Like, I want to get my summer collection together. Now, for the next couple of months, I'm probably going to start taking out like a lot of my older clothes. And I know I said this in other videos, but a lot of clothes are in there. I've either can't fit them. I know, I gain weight. Or some of them I have never even worn. Like, I have clothes in there that have tags on them. I've given away a lot of clothes because I just didn't even like them. Because you know how sometimes you buy stuff and then it's like, when you get them, you're like, okay, it's cute. And then you put it back in the closet. Like, I was literally in my closet the other day pulling out stuff. I'm like, when did I buy this? Why did I buy this? Because it's just not cute. So I think a lot of the clothes, and I have been upping my eBay site. I'll probably post that in one of these videos too. I do have a small store on eBay. I have sold some shoes on there before that were in boxes. I still have a lot of shoes in boxes that I need to upload, and somebody might be interested in them. I think what I'm going to start doing is like a $20 thing. It doesn't matter what the price is. Anything that was over like $50, I'll sell it on the eBay for $20 just to kind of get it going. And I know I'm not going to probably ever wear them, and I don't want it to just be sitting in my closet. I don't know. The older I get, I'm kind of becoming a minimalist. Like, I don't even like having a whole bunch of stuff now. And I have a lot of stuff. Anyway, so that's pretty much the end of this video. I'm going to try this on right quick and see how it looks. See if it's popping like I want it to pop. How y'all doing today? Y'all know today is the second day of spring. Hope everybody's having an awesome Friday. Today is March the 21st. And I just actually did another video. So y'all make sure y'all check that video out as well. I did like a small Dollar Tree haul. Y'all, Dollar Tree is really, really stepping up their game. So if you're not a huge fan of I like this color. If you're not a huge fan, or if you were never a huge fan of Dollar Tree, just try them out. Check out and see what they have, because they're really, really up in their game. Like, a lot of the things that they have on that site, not the site, at the stores now, it's a lot of dupes out there that give you a run for your money. I mean, it's a lot like the original products. So, or the brand name products, I should say. So this is pretty much it of all of this video. If you haven't already, y'all, thank you for those who are supporting the channel. For those who are not supporting the channel, but just watching, y'all, guess what? I'm going to give y'all something for free. Y'all see that subscribe button down there? If you click it, guess what? Every time I post a video, well, you're going to have to turn your notifications on as well. But every time I post a video, it's going to pop up. It's going to send you something and say, guess what? Your girl LT, she just posted a video. So I could check it out. I could look at her for free. And even if you feel a little bit more inclined, if you just want to be really, really sweet that day, if you just feeling your girl just a little bit, you could just hit that like button right down there. And guess what? It's going to keep me in your algorithm. And every time you YouTubing it up and you just want to see your girl and you just want to hear from her, you want to hear her voice, you want to see what she got popping, she going to pop up on your screen. Just like that. It's almost like magic. I promise you. Anyway, y'all, I'm going to go do my Friday thing, y'all. I thank you so much for your support. Thanks for watching. Even if you're just watching from the bushes, I appreciate that too, because that somehow keeps me in the algorithm. But it would be better if you just subscribe and liked it and shared it with your friends and, you know, like turn your notification bell on. But anyway, I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Always remember to be awesome and do awesome things. And I will see you guys in the next one. Talk to you later. Love you guys.